Yes. Cauchy's next topic. Cauchy and legendary homogeneous equation. Homogeneous equations. Under this, first we study about the Cauchy's linear equation. Cauchy's linear equation. Cauchy's linear equation general form, it will be in the form a naught x square y double dash plus a1 x y dash plus a2 y is equal to phi of x. Here we have just shown with respect to the second order. If it is a third order, then a naught x cube y triple dash plus a1 x square y double dash plus a2 x y dash plus a3 y is equal to phi of x. It will come like this. Now let us see the general substitution. X y dash, we will call it as a d into y. X square y dash d into d minus 1 into y. Next, x cube y triple dash d into d minus 1 d minus 2 into y. Like this we will write further. For x power 4 into y power 4 means d into d minus 1 d minus 2 d minus 3 whole into y. Like this we have to write the further values. So in this topic, let us see the first problem. Let us see the first problem. Yes. Write the year of the question, June 2016. First one, it will be x square d square y by dx square minus 3x into dy by dx plus 4y is equal to 1 plus x whole square. 1 plus x whole square. So first we have to write in the normal method how x square, instead of d square y by dx square we will write y double dash minus 3x y dash plus 4y is equal to 1 plus x whole square. Here throughout Cauchy's linear equation we have to take a common substitution, that is t is equal to log x. That implies e power t is equal to x. T is equal to log x. That implies apply exponential on both sides. E power t is equal to x. Now here x y dash, as I told, d into y. X square y double dash d into d minus 1 into y. Here we can write where d is equal to d differentiation with respect to t. Differentiation with respect to t. Differentiation with respect to t. Now this x into y dash and x square into y double dash value we have to substitute in this equation. Here we have to substitute. So d into d minus 1 into y minus 3 into d into y plus 4y is equal to 1 plus, in the place of x I will write e power t whole square. Now I take y as a common, then I will multiply here d square minus d minus 3d plus 4 whole into y. Here I split this one as a 1 plus, it is in the form a plus b whole square. So 1 plus, wait a minute, yes, 1 plus, next value is e power 2t plus 2 into e power t. Again, d square minus 4d plus 4 whole into y is equal to 1 plus e power 2t plus 2 into e power t. Now we have to write the auxiliary equation, that is m square minus 4m plus 4 is equal to 0. It is in the form a minus b whole square. So we get m minus 2 whole square. So m values is equal to 2 comma 2 repeated values. Yc is equal to C1 plus C2. In terms of t we are doing, so write t into e power 2t. So t value we already know log x. So I will write C1 plus C2 log x e power 2 log x. So here C1 yc plus C2 log x e power 2 log x, we can write it as a x square because e power 2 log x, it is in the form log of m log, sorry, e power m log n. So it is in the form log of m power n. So e power log of x square. So we can write x square. Next comes yp. Here I just write 1 divided by d square minus 4d plus 4 plus e power 2t divided by d square minus 4d plus 4 plus 2 into e power t d square minus 4d plus 4. Here nothing is there means we can write e power 0t. So wherever d is there, in the first one we have to substitute 0. So we get 1 by 4. Next one, here 4 minus 8 plus 4 because 2 square is 4 minus 4 into 2 is 8 plus 4. Here we can write denominator is equal to 0. 2 into e power t, again 1 minus 4 plus 4. So 1 by 4, if denominator is 0, write t into e power t. Differentiation of this f of d, that is 2d minus 4 plus 2 into e power t. Again 1 by 4 plus t into e power 2t. Here again d is 2, means a is 2. So 2 into 2, 4. Again here denominator will become 0 plus 2 into e power t. 1 by 4 plus t into e power t. Differentiation of this f dash of t is 2 plus 2 into e power t. Now here also 1 by 4 plus log x into e power 2 log x divided by 2 plus 2 into e power log x. Therefore, y is equal to yc plus yp. So yc value is c1 plus c2 log x into e power 2 log x value is x square plus 1 by 4 plus log x divided by 2 e power 2 log x value is x square plus e power log x value is x. E power log x value is equal to x. So 2 into x. This is the solution of the first problem. Second problem, x square y double dash plus xy dash plus 9y is equal to 3x square plus sine of 3 log x. Sine of 3 log x. Here also same we have to take for the substitution. Put t is equal to log x. Put t is equal to log x. That implies e power t is equal to x. E power t is equal to x. Now again x into y dash is equal to d into y. This x square into y double dash means d into d minus 1 into y, where don't forget to write this d is equal to d by t. Now substitute here d into d minus 1 y plus dy plus 9y is equal to 3 into e power 2t plus sine of 3t, because log x means t, so 3 into t. So here d square minus d plus 9 whole into y is equal to 3 into e power 2t plus sine 3t. So d will get cancelled, remaining will be d square plus 9 whole into y, 3 into e power 2t plus sine 3t. Auxiliary equation is m square plus 9 is equal to 0. So m is equal to plus or minus 3i. So yc will be c1 cos 3t. It comes under case 3. c2 sin 3t. So we know the t value, c1 cos 3 log x plus c2 sin of 3 log x. Again here yp is 3 into e power 2t divided by d square plus 9. Again sin 3t divided by d square plus 9. Here what is our a value in this one? A is equal to d. So what is our a value? What is our a value?
2, ma'am.
Yes, a is equal to 2. So 2 square means 4. Now here also a value is 3. A is equal to 3. So d square must be replaced by minus a square, that is minus 9. So minus 9 plus 9. Here 3 divided by 4 plus 9 is 13 into e power 2t plus, when denominator, here I forgot to write it here, denominator is equal to 0. So t into sin t, differentiation of the f of d is 2d. Again 3 by 13 e power 2t plus t by 2. 1 by d, reciprocal of the differentiation is integration. So integration of sin 3t into dt, that is equal to 3 by 13 e power 2t plus t divided by 2. Integration is minus cos 3t divided by 3. That is equal to 3 by 13 e power 2t minus t into cos 3t divided by 6. So therefore y is equal to yc plus yp. So yc is c1 cos of 3 log x plus c2 sin of 3 log x plus 3 by 13. Here we can write 3 by 13 e power 2 log x minus log x into cos of 3 log x divided by 6. So e power 2 log x is x square. Yes. Now here we can write log x into cos of 3 log x divided by 6 into d cube y divided by dx cube plus d square y divided by dx square is equal to 1 by x. Always the degree of the x and order of the differentiation should be same. So here the degree of x is 1 but the order of the differentiation is 3. So what we have to do? Multiply both sides by x square. So we get x cube d cube y divided by dx cube plus x square into d square y by dx square is equal to x square by x is equal to x square by x. Is equal to x square by x. Now here we already they had given x, so to make it as x cube I had multiplied with the x square. Now here I can write x cube y triple dash x square y double dash is equal to x. So again here substitution we have to start, that is put t is equal to log x. That implies e power t is equal to x. Here we want x cube into y dash. So I will write d into d minus 1 into d minus 2 y. Again x square y double dash is d into d minus 1 into y, where d is equal to d by dt. Now we substitute these two values in this equation. So d into d minus 1 into d minus 2 y plus d into d minus 1 into y. In the place of x I will write e power t. Now I will write d into d minus 1 outside, because in both the terms we can see that d into d minus 1 is a common term. So I will write here d into d minus 1. So remaining d minus 2 here plus 1 whole into y is equal to e power t. So d into d minus 1 into d minus 1 whole into y is equal to e power t. Auxiliary equation is m into m minus 1 is equal to 0. M is equal to 0, 1, 1. So yc is equal to c1 e power 0x is 1, c2 plus c3t into e power t. So we can write c2 plus c3 log x into e power log x. Next comes yp, e power t divided by, here we have to multiply this d into d minus 1 whole square, that is e power t divided by d into d square minus 2d plus 1 e power t d cube minus 2d square plus d. Here nothing is there means we have to consider 1. So e power t, wherever d is there, there we have to write 1 because a is equal to 1. 1 minus 2 plus 1. Here we come to know that denominator is 0. So e power t, differentiation of this f of d is 3d square minus 4d plus 1. Again give the substitution 3 minus 4 plus 1. Again here, wait a minute, I forgot to write here t. So denominator is equal to 0. Again t square e power t divided by differentiation of this f dash of d, that is 6d minus 4. Now t square e power t, 6 minus 4. So t square e power t divided by 2. So log x